Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do another simple recipe so that you can do on your own. So even though it's not Halloween, I am wearing my costume because in my school it is Spirit Week. Even though we are not in school, we go on Zoom. So it's Spirit Week, so today is Superhero Day. So we get to dress up as a superhero. So So today we're going to be making Chia Seed pudding. So first you want to make the plain one, but the ingredients will be in the description box below and like how much you need to measure. So let's get started. First we're going to make the plain one. So first we're going to add the chia seed. Always add your dry ingredients first. Okay, so we add our chia seeds. Now we're going to add our milk. Now we're going to add our honey. All right, our honey goes in. All of that yummy, 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 yummy honey. Delicious honey. Goes in. Now the vanilla extract goes in. All right, now you want to stir it up well, very well. So make sure there's no clumps. Now, if you have bad chia seeds, it would float to the top. So if you don't throw out your chia seed pudding, you can just put them in a blender and mix them with some fruit to make some chia seed smoothie. Mix it all. All right, now that's good. Oh well. Now we're gonna put it in the fridge, but I'm not gonna put it in the fridge right now. So we're just gonna put a top on, and then make our next one. So our next one, we are making chocolate chia seed pudding. So we're gonna add the dry ingredients first. The chia seed. Now the chocolate. Now before you add your wet ingredients, you want to stir your chia seeds with the chocolate. Nice and even. You want to stir it up nice and evenly, and then you can add your milk, honey, and vanilla extract. All right, now you're going to add your milk. Smells like hot cocoa. Now we're going to stir it up well. Make sure there's no clumps again. Now we're going to put the honey, all that honey in. Smells so good because it has chocolate. There we go. And now we add our vanilla extract. Now we're going to stir it up. Make sure there's no clumps. It smells so good. It smells like chocolate. Now you want to scrape it from the sides, because when you do it, there's also going to be a lot of chia seeds on the side. And then start stirring. It should look like this. Okay, that's good. Now we're gonna put a top on it. Next up, we're gonna make green tea chia seed pudding. So, again, we put our chia seed in. Then then we put our tea. Then you mix it up. The tea smells just so good. There we go. Now we're going to add our milk. Our vanilla extract. And then our honey. Doop-a-doop-a-doo. Yummy honey. The honey is so good. Yum. I love this. It's gonna, I heard they taste super good. What can I say? Honey's good, so can't waste honey. And again, you don't want to have chunks in your chia seed pudding. And once you're done with them, you can just pop them into the freezer. I mean, not freezer, refrigerator. And then about in 1 hour, you can eat them, but it tastes better when you let it sit for a night. And I already got some in here that are sticking to the side. Some chia seeds who don't want to come in. Okay, that's good. All right. Now we're gonna shut the top and pop them into the refrigerator. Okay guys, so the batch we just made, I popped them into the refrigerator, into the fridge. This is what I made last night. Like I said, when you leave it in the fridge overnight, it tastes better. So let's get filling the cups in. So we're gonna start with our plain one. This looks so good. Yum, yum, yum. Alright, now we're gonna let that. Now we're going to put our strawberries. There we go. Just on the sides. Nice and pretty and yummy. There we go. Now we're going to add some of the green tea into here. Oops, a strawberry fell down. Oh well. Yummy, yummy. There we go. All the way in. Alright, now we're going to add a little more, and then we're going to add a good part of it. There we go. A little more. No more. Now we're going to add some more strawberries. Some more pretty, pretty, pretty strawberries. Very pretty strawberries. Very, very pretty. Now we're going to add some chocolate chips. Yum. That's the best part about these is the chocolate chips. So this is how it looks like. Beautiful. Like that. Now we're going to do... Now we're done with the matcha pudding, tea pudding. Now we're going to put it aside. Now we're going to do our tropical one, which is the plain one and some tropical fruit. So we're going to fill it up. Tropical fruit. I just love the word tropical. Alright, now we're going to put more. We're going to add all the rest of it in. The rest of that chia seed, plain one. Now we're going to add our tropical fruit. We got some pineapples and some strawberries. So we're going to put the strawberries in. I'm just going to use my hands. Okay, so the strawberries are going to put on the side again. Oh no, I'm losing it. Okay, there we go. Now we're going to add some bananas and pineapples. So much yummy fruit. Because fruit is healthy, but at the same time, delicious. Yummy, yummy fruit. All that fruit in. There we go. Now we got our tropical pudding. Now we're going to add some chocolate chips to it. Delicious. No more. Now we're going to add a spoon. And there you have your tropical pudding. Now, since we're done with that, for the best part, you know what it is? Chocolate pudding. Yum. We're going to add chocolate, our yummy chocolate pudding in. Yum, yum, yum. All that chocolate pudding in. Get all that pudding. Alright, now we're going to add some fruit to it. Blackberries this time, and raspberries. Raspberries are my favorite. Now we're going to berry them, kind of. There we go. Yummy chocolate pudding. Oh no. You don't get away from me. No chocolate pudding gets away from me. Alright. In you go. Oops. This is my messiest one. Alright. Now we're going to add some fruit. The rest of our fruit. Now, chocolate. Yummy chocolate. This is a different type of chocolate. You can use any type of chocolate you want, but since we like milk chocolate, we're using milk chocolate. Alright. Now we're gonna put our spoon in, and you got your chocolate pudding. Now I'm gonna taste the chocolate pudding, but I think I'm gonna invite my brother. Let's do it.
Oh, hey.
So we're trying my chocolate puddings. So I wanted 2 opinions. Do you want to try one?
Sure.
Which one would you like to taste?
What are they?
We got green tea and plain tropical and chocolate.
Ooh, may I try the chocolate?
Here you go.
Ooh, this is
You
good.
can bar. The chocolate looks good too. I think I'm gonna try the chocolate too.
Okay, next we're trying the tropical one. Here, I'll spoon you some. Okay.
Delicious. Now the tropical. Thank you.
Right here. Oh, okay. This one should taste super good.
Okay, now we're gonna try the green tea one. Would you like to go first? Thank you. Bye. Subscribe and please put a thumbs up.